So anyway, we're packing up now. This is Lily. Welcome back to my page. So we're packing up now. The end of the day. We've done really well. And they're looking forward to coming back next year, and I hope we see you here next year at the Pasifika 2026, and hopefully that new way again will be over on the other side and not on this side. So we're just telling everyone to see you all next year, but at a better spot. New way is going to be at a better spot next year. Manifesting it out there. This is Jenny, this is Gabby, and this is their wares. Beautiful. Okay, let's move along. Another beautiful area here. My cousins, we're hoping that we'll be back next year, 2026. Yes. $2026. We'll see you next year. This is Lisa, Maggie. There. We're looking forward to seeing them next year, everyone. And this is Melly and Lingy. The two sisters are sitting here. What a colourful show. We'll see you next year. You coming back? Hey, this is... Melly's had such a wonderful time, but we're not too happy about the spot. Yes, so hopefully the spot is back there where we're supposed to be the last time. So yeah, all this, yeah, beautiful hats. Hey, well, what's the pulau how? Yeah, well done. Yeah, ka kunyaf. Yes, beautiful, colourful. This is called the Malay Nelisi handcrafts. Yes. So we're just winding up now. All the people are just finishing up, packing up slowly. But it's been an amazing day for them. I think they've had a wonderful day and they've enjoyed it. Just being here and with everyone else and enjoying the moment, which is special. Thank you guys, thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you so much. It's my sister and her one. Sister, you look very nice. You look very nice. Beautiful colours on you.
Thank you.
Yes. So what do you say about this year's
the environment?
the festival?
Yeah.
Oh.
But overall it was okay.
It's okay, and you've been so positive about it. That's wonderful.
Yeah.
Okay. And this newest stage, as you can see, is right over that side. We can't even see it. But anyway, we hope that we see you guys down back here, okay? And enjoy this time. This has been the Niue area for the two days.